TourBox. It covers every step in photo editing, including culling, color grading, local adjustments, and recreation, making things simple, efficient, and seamless. In the past, selecting photos required one hand on the keyboard and one on the mouse, going through them one by one. With TourBox, you can do all of this with just one hand. Whether you're using Lightroom, Capture One, or other editing software, TourBox simplifies operations. Use the dial to easily toggle images and use buttons to star, add labels, or keywords. With TourBox, you won't have to fumble through countless parameter panels, drag the mouse, or even rely on the keyboard to access the exact parameter you need. Simply place your commonly used parameters or tools like exposure, saturation, and contrast into your customized panel. One click opens the panel, and the knob provides precise control over sliders, letting you focus on the changes. You can also categorize multiple sets of panels, easily switching between them to adjust parameters. Of course, there's another way to color grade. Simply pick slider with customized button and smoothly adjust it with the knob, making it equally convenient. Typing to adjust brush could be a hassle. Sometimes it requires both hands, and the keyboard could take up a huge space. With TourBox, it only takes one knob to change brush size, opacity, and hardness on the fly. Whether for brushes, liquify tools, or stamps, it's smooth and easy, with no need for tricky keyboard shortcuts. You've got precise control right at your fingertips. Commonly used blending modes can be selected with a single click, saving you the hassle of searching through lists each time. Parameters such as layer curves, saturation, color balance, and more can be summoned and adjusted with a single click through customized panels. Quickly add, select, or delete layers, and adjust opacity directly with the knob. What you see is what you get. Brushes, erasers, stamps, healing brush. Any tool can be toggled quickly. Everything becomes straightforward, efficient, and fluid.